6 Essential Cooking Tips for Eggs. Reveals small tricks that make a huge difference in taste and texture. Once you see them, you'll never cook eggs the same way again. Tip 1. How to store eggs properly. Storing them with the pointed end up, or laying them flat. When stored incorrectly, the yolk can shift toward the rounded end, and the air chamber inside expands more quickly. This accelerates gas exchange and oxidation, causing the eggs to deteriorate faster, lose freshness, and spoil more easily. Washing the eggshell before storage. The eggshell has a natural protective membrane. Washing removes this membrane, allowing bacteria to easily enter through tiny pores, reducing storage time and increasing the risk of contamination. The correct way is to store eggs with the rounded end facing up, pointed end down. This is the proper way to store eggs in the refrigerator or egg carton. This placement helps stabilize the yolk, minimizes internal friction, reduces oxidation, and keeps eggs fresher longer. Tip 2. The correct way to crack an egg. Crack eggs on the edge of a bowl or plate. Sharp edges create deep, uneven cracks, making it easy for shell fragments to fall inside. Additionally, the edge of a bowl is often not completely clean, making it easy for eggs to become contaminated or unhygienic. Crack eggs on a flat surface. The resulting crack will be shallower, wider, and more even, making it easier to separate the shell without worrying about shell fragments sticking to the egg white or yolk. When cracking on a flat surface, the force is distributed evenly, helping to neatly separate the thin inner layer of the eggshell. This reduces the chance of shell fragments getting into the egg and ensures better hygiene during preparation. Tip 3. The right heat for a delicious fried egg. Fry eggs over high heat for a short time. High heat cooks the surface of the eggs quickly, making them tough and slightly burnt, while the inside remains raw or not as soft as desired. The result is dry, less fluffy eggs that lack smoothness when eaten. Fry eggs over low heat, slowly. Low heat allows the proteins in the whites and yolks to coagulate slowly, creating a more even and fluffy texture. The eggs cook evenly, retain moisture, and taste better and more flavorful. When exposed to excessively high temperatures, the proteins in eggs denature quickly, lose water, and shrink, making the eggs tough and dry. Frying over low heat allows the protein coagulation process to occur slowly, retaining moisture well, creating a soft, fluffy texture that is easy to eat. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 4. How to make boiled eggs easier to peel. Boiling eggs without preparation. When you put eggs into boiling water without treating or cooling them first, the membrane under the shell sticks tightly to the white. This makes the eggs difficult to peel, prone to sticking to the shell, misshapen, rough-surfaced, and unattractive. Use a push pin. pierce a small hole in the rounded end with a needle before boiling. The rounded end of the egg contains an air chamber. Piercing a small hole creates a pressure release channel, making it easier for the inner membrane to separate from the shell. The cooked egg white is also less likely to stick to the shell, resulting in smoother peeling. Soak the eggs in ice water immediately after boiling. The cold shock causes the egg white to contract quickly, creating a thin gap between the egg white and the shell. This gap makes peeling easier, reduces breakage, and keeps the egg round and beautiful. The deciding factor is the thermal shock. The sudden change in temperature between boiling water and ice water helps the egg white surface become smooth, allowing the egg to be peeled cleanly, beautifully, and without tearing. Tip 5. The right heat and tips for fluffy egg drop soup. Adding eggs when the water is barely simmering. The temperature is too low, preventing the protein from coagulating immediately and causing it to dissolve into the water, making the soup cloudy and losing its clarity. Adding eggs when the water is boiling vigorously. Strong convection causes the eggs to coagulate quickly and clump together into large lumps, which are both unattractive and lose their smoothness. When the eggs are beaten thoroughly, the whites and yolks blend completely, helping to create finer and more even egg strands. Waiting for the water to boil before turning off the heat reduces convection in the pot, preventing the eggs from clumping together. When poured slowly and stirred gently, the protein layer will coagulate slowly, spreading softly in the soup, creating fluffy egg strands like clouds, a beautiful pale yellow color, easy to eat, and suitable for both children and adults. Turning off the heat before adding the eggs reduces water movement, reducing convection, helping the eggs spread evenly without clumping. The protein coagulates slowly, creating thin strands, resulting in clearer soup with a more appealing color. Tip 6. Bonus tip: cut boiled eggs beautifully. Cutting directly on the egg with a knife. The yolk of a boiled egg is usually soft and slightly dry, so it easily sticks to the knife blade. When cutting directly, the high friction causes the yolk to crumble, the slices to be uneven, and the egg surface to become rough, making it less appealing when serving or making egg salad. Wrap the egg in plastic wrap cut down one side. The plastic wrap creates a thin sliding surface between the knife and the egg, allowing the blade to glide smoothly without breaking the yolk structure. When cut, the egg retains its shape, with smooth, even, and clean slices, perfect for attractive presentation. Here are 6 simple tips that can help you handle eggs more effectively, from storage, boiling, frying, to using them in soups or Asian Japanese dishes. Just by making a few small changes, your eggs will be fresher, tastier, and much more visually appealing. Are you using any of these tips? Or do you have other methods that work even better? Share them so everyone can learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support me and not miss out on future tips. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.